Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So today I am doing a Temu unboxing. I was contacted by the company, a representative of the company, and asked if I would be interested in doing a review of some of their products and being what they call an influencer. And in the first email it said there would be $75 worth of free products that I could choose to review. So I was like, sure, I would be interested, so tell me more. So you guys know I'm very transparent. I am very honest. I will give my honest opinion about my experience, my frustrations, and then an honest opinion of the items, a review of the items. So that being said, so the first video said, or first email, excuse me, said $75 worth of free products. When I told her I was interested, I would like to hear more. The second email from her, it had went from 75 down to 65. So boom, just like that, I've lost $10. So I'm like, okay, I thought it was 75, but okay, whatever, you know. I thought, you know, $65 in free products, you know, that would probably be worth my time, because it is time consuming, because you do have to do like 2 YouTube videos, 2 shorts, and 2 community posts. So, you know, my time to film, my time to download, my time to, you know, do the community posts, do the shorts, all that stuff, you know, I need to be compensated for my time, because as you guys know, my time is very valuable. I work full time. I have a husband, I have grandkids I help with, you know, I have a home, I'm very busy, and I have my YouTube channel where I post, you know, videos 7 days a week. So yeah, so I'm like 65, so I'm like, fine, go ahead, send me the details. So she sent me a third email with the details, and the link for me to go and pick my product. Now, this is where the confusion and the irritation, if you will, came in. When I clicked on that link and went over there, it was showing some, you know, me, and said that I was an influencer and this and that. And I'm like, you know, this is pretty awesome. You know, this might be a relationship that can be built for, you know, the long term. But then I was a bit confused, because I got to the bottom and it said 0 of $50, and then out beside that it said 0 of 8. So I wasn't quite sure what that meant, so I just started, you know, looking, and they did have some really cool items. A lot of items as far as, you know, junk journals that I would be interested in. So, you know, I started loading up my cart and spending my $50. Well, that's another thing. From the second email at $65, when I clicked on the link and I'm now shopping, it's gone down to $50. So 2 emails and 1 click later, I've lost $25. So, yeah. So I went ahead and did it anyway. I went ahead and went shopping and was spending my $50. And then I was noticing every time I would put something in my cart, the 0 of 8 would change for each item that I put in my cart. So then I got confused. I'm like, well, is it $50 or is it 8 items? I don't really know. You know, I've been seeing this Temu everywhere. A lot of people are doing, you know, videos and unboxing. A lot of people's, you know, just done hauls where they've bought it with their own money and done reviews on it and things like that. So I'm like, okay, it's really popular. You know, I don't know. So I spent my $50 and I went to check out, and it said I could not check out because I had more than 8 items. So that meant I now had to delete items. So spending $50, and a lot of the stuff I had picked out was between, you know, $1 and $3 or $4 at the most. So I went in and had to delete a lot of items, or remove a lot of items that I had in my cart, to take it back down to 8. So I'm like, okay. So then I went to check out when I was back to 8 of 8, which was 8 items. But the dollar amount was really, really low. So it would, again, not let me check out, because it told me I had to spend at least $30. So what I had to do, guys, I was really, really, really frustrated at this point, and probably should have just stopped and, you know, emailed her back, told her I was no longer interested. But I moved forward anyway. So I had to delete more items out of my cart and pick out items that cost more money, to take the dollar amount from between 30 and 50, but still only a max of 8 items. So That whole process for me, I haven't heard of anyone else having that experience. You know, I don't know if people are completely honest when they do these, but you guys know me, I'm going to be completely honest. So that was my experience with the checkout and my, frustrations there. So in this video, I will show you, so this is their logo, so that's Temu. I will show you the items that I picked out, and one item that I don't even recall picking out, but I could have because my frustration level was so high at the time. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and get into this, and I will show you guys the products that I picked. So I will put some of these over here. So the first item that I had, and this item here, you can actually pick a 5-piece, a 10-piece, or a 20-piece. And these are actually the vertical, soft, waterproof work card holders. Transparent factory cards, student holders, all that. But I thought these would be cute, guys, in the journaling world, to put like ATC cards in, because they would be a really good size for that. Let's see if I can get some more light over here. Sorry, somehow, maybe. Okay. But yeah, so these would be a good size for an ATC card. You could put them on a ring, you know, and keep them on there, and they would be protected. You could use these to put one in to send in Happy Mail or all different kinds of things like that. Now, I will be honest with you, the reason that I got these, and I believe I got the 20, which is the max you can get, is at my place of employment, we have to have this little thing. It is called an override card, but it's actually not a card. It's just a piece of register tape, but it's a barcode that we have to print out every day. And when something goes awry at checkout, we have to scan that override card to approve it. The supervisors do. So I decided to get these actually to use at work. These are going to be perfect for that. So that's the first item. And then the second item was a 5-piece A4 transparent plastic envelope document bag. And yeah, this was 5 pieces. So let me find that one. I believe that is this one here. Yep. So you guys in the journaling world will recognize that we actually, a lot of us, use these, and I typically get mine from Amazon. And they're not always cheap, but I wanted to check these out and see how the quality was against the ones that I get from Amazon. So we've got those. So that is the second thing. My actual opinions of the items will come later, guys, in our second video. So the third item was a 10-piece. Pretty much the same thing, but these are colored and these are the clear. But this is the 10-piece A4 transparent plastic envelope document bag. Good for storage with snout buttons for home office storage, document stationery sorting. And again, I use these a lot with keeping my digitals or pretty much whole projects in. So again, I wanted to test the quality against the ones that I get from Amazon. So that is those. And again, that is a 10-pack, and they are multicolored. And all of these items will be listed in the description box below. Okay, so that's that one. And the next one is a 50-sheet transparent Post-it sticky notepad. So let's see. That, I'm assuming, is this right here. And I thought these, with them being transparent, would be cute to use in our journals. So that is this here. Alright, so that is the next item. Alright, so the next item I think I was most excited about, because when I did start seeing everyone doing these hauls and these videos, I did go over there and take a look at what all the hype was, and actually had some of these in my cart, and it looks like something's fell off of it, so of course that could have, happened during shipment. But this right here is a one-piece A4 file storage box, transparent file storage box container. Okay, so yeah, it looks like this just popped off. So we can pop that back on there. There we go. Alright, so that is this. And this will fit our... Oh, it goes this way, dingling. That's the lid. And it looks deep enough where you can get... Let's see. Yeah, so that's going to be good. So this is a harder plastic, like a little box. And then just snaps like that. And I think they had them sitting up like this on a shelf. Oops. And they had it P-touched right here what it was. So that was the next thing. And then the next thing that I got is thank you cards. And they are pink, so of course you know that piqued my interest. And this is 50 pieces. I do like this. It says, thank you for supporting my business. Your order made my day. I hope this package makes yours. So these are really cute. So those will be good for, Etsy orders and things like that. Those of you who have Etsy shops or who sell on Instagram, Facebook Lives, things like that. And of course, I love the color. Alright, and then the next thing, guys, is the Nordic Simple Desk Organizer Office Storage Box. And that is this right here. And of course, it's pink. So this is plastic, and this is like a small desk organizer, and it has two little drawers that pull out here. So that was the next thing. And last but not least, this is the thing that I didn't realize I ordered. Again, it could have been just because of my frustrations, but it's the Deli electric pencil sharpener. It does require 2 AA batteries. I did go ahead and open this when I seen that it needed batteries. So it is an electric pencil sharpener. Although I don't remember ordering it, I could use one of these, to be honest with you. So if it was a mistake, it was a good mistake in my opinion. So that was the last thing that I got right there. Alright guys, so that is my unboxing and my experience of the whole ordering process. So yeah, so even though, the ordering was really frustrating for me, I will give an honest review in the next video of these products. I will go ahead and use some. I've already had my husband put some batteries in the pencil sharpener, so we'll use it. We will test out these other things and see, and that will come in the next video. My experience of the whole ordering process and yeah, the fact that it went from $75 to $50 in, a matter of an email and a click to their website will have no bearing. I will give an honest opinion of these products in my next video. Alright guys, all the information will be in the description box below. Again, this is I guess it's paid, I don't know, but yeah, I am considered an influencer, given my review of some Temu products. I will have a code in the description box for 30% off. Just click on that link and it'll go straight to the website. They do offer free shippings and free returns, US only, and they have hundreds of items that are under $10, and they have a secure payment on Temu. So yeah, you guys go over there and check it out, and I will see you all in my next video when we review these products. I love you guys. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.